Hello, dear friends. Let me walk you through the process of applying for national awards. The awards are one of the finest recognitions you could get, after working for one full year. So once you enter into the dashboard, so you can click on others, click on awards. So this would be available for the present chairman and the IPC, the access. So let me run through the basics of award. So once you want to apply for an extension trophy. So this would be mainly for external extension. Click here to apply. Enter the details, extension of the new tables, assistance of what you had been giving, involvement of your tablers in the extension of the other table, membership strength, their inductions after the induction. I mean, after they're being chartered, communication with area national conveners. For everything, make sure you have a image with the file name mentioned as direct sponsorship for extension trophy. So make sure you have such an image. Click on attachments, click on file upload, click that particular image, and and save on this. Extension of table say like on table one. So it can be anything. So once you finish, make sure you save. If you, in case you want to update anything, you can again update it. And once you're done with everything, you can click the submit button. So once you submit it, you can click on this national awards. Extension trophy has already been submitted. Similarly, please note that the best secretary trophy and your best AST trophy need not be applied through the system, and it will be directly through your AST and your national secretary. For Bob Chandran Award, please enter all these details in an email, and it has to be sent to your NS, marking a copy to your AST. Again, golden trumpet for publicity can be clicked. All the publicity projects during that particular year. Make sure you have the file name as that particular event of that publicity. Click on attachments, save your image, click on save. Public functions held, newspapers, hoardings, all the criteria which has been already given. Please ensure you enter enough description of that particular derivative or whatever you require points to be noted, and appropriate image. Click save again to update, and click on submit. Only when you submit, your award application will be going to the nationals, and you can see the list of applications that are being submitted here. Similarly, for best project trophy, make sure you enter all the particular details. All the projects that you run for the community. Participation of individual tablers, you can explain by showing individual photographs, add sufficient images. The more the images, there is more clarity on the award. Publicity value, mention like whatever publicity, whether it is a social media publicity or it is a print media publicity. Enter and properly save images again. Save, and again you can update as such. Apex, see, there are two fellowship awards. One is your fellowship award, or fellowship trophy, where it is for your table fellowship. If you are in association with the Apex Club of India, and you can recognize yourself you through this Apex Roundtable India Fellowship Award. So again, that is a similar process. For the most outstanding tabler, Anup Reddy, similar process. For area best LAPD HRD, same process. Balanced activity, click on apply. Again, mention whatever like you had mentioned individual applications. Mention here also, so that all these details are compiled here in one single application. Please don't mention refer to your best project application. Mention all the projects here also along with individual images. say for extension, if in case of any international relations, excuse me, communications with the association, inter-table relations, your publicity, contribution to table talk. There is also, your best contribution to table talk. You have another trophy which has already been mentioned. Once you're done with everything, just click on save, update, and then click submit. See, the table talk trophy where I mentioned, for your best contribution to the RTI magazine or the editor. Again, there is this Chris Chitale trophy is, if in case your table has one of the finest magazines, you can publish it and, get a recognition if in case it is eligible. So I hope we had covered almost all the awards. If in case you have any doubts, please do mention in comments, or you can, approach your AST or the past tennis table Santosh Raj for any doubts. Thank you, guys.